When you play a tournament like this, you want to win games. Unfortunately, the matches didn't go our way. Whatever the reason may be, there can be lots of reasons. So it's good to have a win on us, improve in areas where we want to improve. So overall, we all knew that when it doesn't come your way in cricket, God makes it very tough, and it was a tough game. But glad to be on the winning side, and hopefully it will give us some momentum. Whether it's a combination or the condition, we were slightly struggling in the first six, when it comes to bowling. And then, we always used to come back in the middle overs, and more often than not in the death. There have been instances where the opposition got off to a very good start, but we were able to restrict them to what could be a par score or just above par. But we're not getting the kind of start, that we wanted when it came to us, as a batting unit. And the fall of wickets, we keep losing wickets at the wrong time to some extent. One of the reason could be, the Chennai wickets slightly on the slower side. So out of the first 5 or 6 games that we have played, we have played more games over there. And the start when it comes to playing outside, the starts or the batting unit has done slightly better when you actually played outside. So maybe we need to play on wickets which are slightly better, and it will give the batsmen that confidence to play their shot, because you don't want to play timid cricket, but at the same time you want to figure out what is your release shot, and you want to back yourself and hit that shot. Don't pick an option that is not good for that wicket, but at the same time, it's very important to express.
Yeah, I suppose it's...
I feel, we made a few changes because we wanted to make sure that our first 6 overs are slightly better, because, we need more bowlers in the first 6. We were actually putting too much pressure on Ash. He has to bowl 2 overs on wickets that were not doing a lot, and the batsmen, they were just expressing themselves. So, we made a few changes where we could, have more bowlers who were able to bowl in the first 6, and if needed, if the fast bowler, somebody goes for run, you have Noor who can drop in with 1 over. So, I feel this looks like a better attack. There's more maneuverability for the captain. If somebody is not doing well, you can maneuver. So, I feel as a bowling unit, we have done well. As a batting unit, I think we can do even better. Roles and responsibility, that's what we talk about. Somebody else has to do some other kind of role. So what is important, if you get off to a good start, and if you are somebody who can play through the innings, why not? Others can keep on doing their job. No point, somebody who's supposed to accelerate, he has to build a partnership. That makes it tough for him. So we practice according to that. You may argue saying, in a team, you are supposed to adapt, and different people have to do different kind of roles. But if you're given a certain role, and if you are good at it, why you want to, become somebody else who's looking to hit 6s and 4s? Just be consistent, let the other guys do their job.
A word on young Sheikh.
With us for quite a few years, and even till last year, we have seen improvement, but this year he has been batting really well in the nets, both against the fast bowlers and the spinners. But I felt that we needed, in the batting order, we needed to make a few changes, because